Hi everyone, I am the untrained amateur, but you can just call me Daniel. Had a bigger project planned today, but once I started digging into it, it turned out to be a much bigger project than I was expecting, so we're going to push that to next week. And today I'm just going to replace my lights above my license plate with LEDs I picked up off of Amazon. I think it was $8 or $10, something like that. But these work perfectly fine, but I figure, doing the LEDs might as well have doing LEDs everywhere else, might as well have them here. So I'll see if I can get them to open up. Should just be straight up old tin replacement. Should be pretty straightforward. Got the, oh, wait, I've got a light here. Hang on. Standard connector, I hope. I haven't dug in yet. And the, like I say, everything looks the same underneath, but it's got the LEDs instead of the incandescents that we got going on there. So let me go turn on the overhead lights and we'll start digging into this. So right back with that. Okay, it looks like, if I can get in angled up there, just a couple of Phillips or cross threads, or cross screws, I guess what everybody else calls them. We just call them Phillips heads up here. Should just be a matter of popping them out if they're not too corroded. That feels pretty good. Loosen right up. And yeah, that was real cooperative. I like that. I like it when they're cooperative. And yeah, same thing on the second one. Okay, and it should just knock you out. Okay, let's see. Oh, you don't want to see that. Try and get. Two-hand operation, it looks like, but let me find a place to switch on where I can hold you. Okay, let me grab my other gear. Be right back. All right, so it's way up there, huh? Should be simple. A hole. One piece. It's got. Oh, it's, I see now. So we just take that off, pull our old bulb. Can't believe that thing's still working. And then put it back on. Everything in there, it's got a good seal. And then dust cap back down. Okay, through there. Okay, a little more complicated than I was expecting. Underneath here so I can see. Maybe bring y'all in too. There. went home. There it goes. Okay. Other one should be pretty easy. Much easier. Whoop, sorry. Make sure that's you in good too. Alright. So, on over to the other side. Try and get decide where my doodad's gonna stay or not. Yeah. Okay. You. Okay. I'll set those aside for in case these things blow out in 2 weeks. Wipe down the bulbs really good. And there you go. Again, make sure you get our there. You get your story together. There and a little more than I was expecting, but not too bad overall. Bring it back out here. You're probably already going to be able to see a difference, but whoop, falling on me. There it goes. Okay, let's hit those lights and see what we got. Yeah, it looks markedly brighter. Let me kill the overheads over here. Hopefully I won't go out of microphone range. Yep, much brighter. So if I do anything bad, the police won't have any trouble getting my license plate number. But I don't intend to do anything bad, and this thing isn't fast enough to go and get into real trouble. But like I say, yeah, that's definitely a nice little, 10-12 minute upgrade, all said and done, and really a whole lot brighter. So, and I should have take a pause here, and I'll pull up exactly how much I cost. I'll link the ones that I bought, but they're, it's a typical Amazon dropship thing. You can take your pick. So let me see how much it actually did cost here. Okay, they were $15. I think it looks like they were an Amazon haul item, but you can probably pick them up in regular Amazon too. The same basic thing. I found the Amazon haul thing is not super, you get the bulk discount, but not the, you can still buy everything individually that you want. Let's say $15, it's a much brighter and more clear upgrade. Looks more crisp to me than that yellow, but I like it. So let's say, next week we'll do a much bigger project. I got something in mind about that reflector right there that I want to change. So we'll work about that next week. The subwoofer thing fell through. I was going to install that this week, but had a little issue with the eBay buy, and it didn't pan out like I wanted to, so I had to send it back. The guy was super nice about it, I believe, you know, he was unaware of what he was sending me and I wouldn't have known if it hadn't gotten broken loose and shipped, and where I had to dig into it to see it wasn't authentic. But that's a tale for another day, and like I say, we'll get to that someday. But like I say, this was I thought, a nice, easy project to get done today, and there it was. So I'll see y'all next week here.